Alright, I got some more junk to go through, so collecting junk. I know what's in that box. I'm not sure it came in today on that. So, the tripod. So we're using my stupid tripod I don't like right now because I broke my other one, which is this one over here. So this is the old tripod. Worked really good for a few years, but it broke. I dropped it on the floor and it went pop. Pop goes the weasel, and broke she go. So, junk. Didn't work no more. I tried gluing it back together, didn't work. What a shocker. Alright, so I bought a new tripod. So that's in this box here. So, I don't know what the hell it is. It's supposed to be a new improved version. Who knows? Maybe it is, maybe it isn't. Let's see, how do you make this one work? There we go. Got that one to work. Alright, let's see what the hell we got here. Oh boy, I got one of these. XYZ company? Yeah, great. Oh, yeah, I got a 75-inch Ultimate series. Oh, yeah. Ultimate piece of crap. Let's see how good it is. Let's see if it's better than the last one. I bought one of these before I didn't like a long time ago. Let's see what this one is. It's got a fancy bag in it, that's for sure. Let's see, zipper's on this side, which looks like the bottom. Okay, everything looks all blown up. It ain't blown up. I'm just too close, that's the problem. Alright, what do we got here? Now, this is some big fancy piece of crap that this is. It's a lot heavier duty than the other one I had. Ooh, it's got a snap bottom, so it stays put. That's pretty highfalutin stuff. This has got a really big heavy duty plastic piece instead of aluminum. How good that's going to be. It's got a hand crank over here to confuse everybody. Oh, look at that. Fancy, fancy, fancy. This is way too complicated for me already. Genuine virgin plastic, you know it's good quality. This one was made out of aluminum, I liked it. It doesn't pop up, it just stays put. So you kick it, it falls over. It's made out of aluminum. This one here, I don't know what it is. Probably black aluminum. This was metal up here, this is all plastic up here, so maybe it's stronger. Let's find out. Didn't break yet, it's a good sign. Got to give it a drop test if we're going to have it around here, so. Oh, yeah, shit, dropped it. Okay, yeah, okay, it didn't break yet. Okay, we're going to say it's a good one now. Okay, so, oh, it's got rubber feety on the bottom. Look at these things, universal feet things here. Look at, they almost move. What good if they don't move? I don't understand that. Oh, I did break it already. It's already broken. Oh, I broke it already. Yep, there it is. Failure. Okay, well, there you go. It's cheap plastic. I already broke it. Didn't take me long. Okay, so how's this thing work? Yeah, there we go. The thing is, if these don't move, I don't know how the hell's supposed to work if they don't move. Oh, there it goes. That's a little stiff. Oh, now it's broken. I got it freed up. There you go. That was well glued in. Okay, so we got that one working. Well, this one works a lot better. This one didn't work very good, it broke. Yeah, this is like the first one, you can't move it. Yeah, it doesn't move. That's why it broke, because it doesn't move. Okay, now this one over here is broken now, so. That's genuine high quality plastic there. So all we gotta do is take a piece of metal and jam it in here, jam it in there, glue it together, and it'll be fixed. We gotta get that ball to work again. So We'll worry about that later. Meantime, it just sits on top of that. I don't care. Oh, it's got a hook up here to hook your balls off of, I guess. I'm not sure what that's all about. Ooh, there's a handle over here. Oh, look at that. There's all kinds of fancy crap on this thing. Got a set screw for something. I don't know what that does. Yep. Oh, that doesn't lock. That just goes up and down. Alright, there you go. Perfect. What's this thing do? Okay, that goes in the bottom of the camera. It's a 1/4-20 bolt. Goes in there. Boom. So when I switch the camera around, that's what you're seeing. Alright, there you go. Okay, that's supposed to go down deeper, so go like that. These little over 7 knobs like that go like that. Okay, so far this thing looks like it's alright, except for the crappy feet on the bottom, the junk. My old one's a lot stronger, because it just sat right on top of the aluminum tube. Couldn't hurt that. When you lose the knob, it just sits on the tube. So this one's a piece of crap plastic, but you know, if you cut that tube off, it probably sits on aluminum anyway, so we're alright. Alright, so now we're back up to high enough we can see again. Get rid of this. So yeah, we'll be up at high altitude now. Put that right onto here. Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. That doesn't work very freely. It's got tension. This is loose here. It's tight there. That's weird. And this is very loose. Turn that now. What's that do? Well, that makes it not work at all, so that's stupid. Alright, there you go. This is deceiving because this is very loose, but it doesn't make this work very good. I bet you it just jams in there is what the problem is, but hard pushing. Real hard that way, easy this way. Great. Doesn't work very good. And this thing over here makes it tilt at weird angles, I guess. We don't want any tilting action going on. Of course, we got a level right here. I don't know what you need a level for in a camera. That makes no sense to me, but I don't know what this thing does. Probably locks in the hand crank thing. So how far does the hand crank thing go? I'm supposed to do this with one hand. I just don't think it bounces all over the place. Oh, it's like an elevator. Yeah, up periscope. Look at that. Oh, look at that. It goes up pretty high. That's good. There you go. Yeah, look at that. Cranking that sucker up. I guess it probably goes up this whole length of this tube here. It said 72 inches, so that's pretty tall. There's another bubble, another level right there. Great. Oh, that's maxed out. There you go. That's for them high altitude shots. Look at that. Yeah. Oh, wonder if you like those. You like those high altitude shots? Yeah, look how tall that thing is. Boy, I bet you that when that falls down, the camera hits the ground, I bet you it breaks real good then. Yeah. Kind of rickety. Alright, well, there you go. New piece of crap to play with. This thing doesn't do anything. It just locks this thing in. Take this stupid screw out and throw it in the trash before you use it. If you use it, it screws up everything probably. And how long before that gives up the ghost? Yeah, the other one you just had a little twist knob you tighten up and you have to screw on this stupid ass thing here. This obsessing me thing I don't like. Oh well, what do you expect? So if you like it, it comes out of that box right there. Whatever brand that is, I don't know. It's Ultimate. Whatever the hell that thing is. So there you go. You could have one just like me. Oh boy. Alright, we'll get these boxes next.